Foamy urine and chronic kidney disease. Urine is normally pale yellow to dark amber in color and is also flat. A variety of factors, from diet to drugs to disease, can cause changes in the color and foaminess of your urine. One of the reasons for foamy urine comes from chronic kidney disease. Healthy kidneys remove extra fluid and waste from your blood, but let proteins and other important nutrients pass through and return to your bloodstream. When your kidneys aren't working as well as they should, they can let certain proteins, called albumin, escape through the filter into your urine. Having protein in your urine could be a sign of nephrotic syndrome or an early sign of kidney disease. Anyone can have protein in their urine. You may be at greater risk if you have one or more risk factors for kidney disease, such as high blood pressure, diabetes, family history of kidney disease. How do I check if I have protein in my urine? A urine test is the only way to know if you have protein in your urine. The test measures the amount of albumin in your urine compared to the amount of creatinine in your urine. This is called the urine albumin to creatinine ratio, UACR. A UACR more than 30 mg per gram can be a sign of kidney disease. When your kidney damage gets worse and large amounts of protein escape through your urine, you may notice the following symptoms. Foamy, frothy or bubbly looking urine when you use the toilet. Swelling in your hands, feet, abdomen or face. If you are having these symptoms, your kidneys may have been severely damaged. Talk to your healthcare provider right away about what may be causing your symptoms and what treatment is best for you. This is all about information that we would like to share with you today. If you have any questions or suggestions for the channel, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to click subscribe button and turn on the bell button to receive notifications every time we have a new video. Thanks and see you in the next videos.